Hey guys, what is up? I'm about to show you guys what I'm about to get in the Elite Player Exchange Pack. And I just put this in, which I've actually done this multiple times. And I just pulled out Gerald McCoy. What a player. How is it even possible? But we are about to upgrade my team. But now, apparently, look at my team now. This team is very OP. And if you look at my offense, it's a full elite offense. Travis Frederick and Alex Boone right in the offensive line. My Travis Frederick is the Pro Bowl. And my Alex Boone is the Super Bowl 51 edition. Very cool. And everything on my team is pretty good. Don't forget about Aqib Talib. Aqib Talib. Aqib Talib. Aqib Talib. Aqib Talib.
It's Aqib Talib.
Aqib Talib.
Aqib Talib.
Aqib Talib. I need somebody trash. So apparently all of these things are just like very OP, which I'm very shocked by. So
The OG squad.
I just put that in like so. God dang. So apparently
Pick this up and it's
no. And apparently we can't be able to do this anymore for right now, but just because I want to and we need to get some more money. And this, let's move this right over here. As you can see, I did not get these two packs at all for some reason because I forgot to play. And yeah. So here's the live event section. Nothing to do right now. Can't really do anything. But
what time is it?
yeah, it's 8:52.
Wait, so there should be a new thing.
Not new thing.
There should be a new live event.
Yeah,
At 8 o'clock. We never got one.
Are you talking about the Super Bowl community? Because that's the
We
new.
are back.
That was the one,
The fourth quarter. Okay, good.
which apparently
We
will
kicks are booming.
just.
Nice.
Yeah, this was just a little video of all of this. Just go into our league. This is our league, the Salem Sharks. We can be able to fit in one player, which apparently we have to wait. And if we go right over here, click here, and go up here, we're gonna click here, tap item to view details. This he got. We cannot go to Charles' page because he left. And apparently, one of our friends named Jameer has raised up his team.
Real?
Yeah.
No.
Yes, he did. He had his QB is the 84 Matt Ryan. Yeah. He has all those trials play. He has an elite.
No, he doesn't.
Mike Lupati.
Oh, that makes sense. Welcome back, guys. Sorry about that.
So now we go right over to here. Apparently he has Chris Long just like I do. Pretty much my entire team is much better than his. Well, yeah, all of it. Go to here. Look, my team is so OP. Against his, I could kick his butt. So we're going to go all the way down. All the way down. I'm going to challenge him. I'm going to challenge him. So, yeah, we'll challenge him. He's been a member since like the day right before the last day of January. So apparently we're just gonna do a real quick drive against him. Hopefully he will respond to us. So that way we can be able to go against him until this game is over, which apparently I'm really good. So I'll show you my new skill. So yeah, his home. Well, his football field for his team. So apparently we got to the 25-yard line. The strong I-20 20 dive. I like that play. Apparently his team stopped him. We can stop him. First down. So we'll just throw a Hail Mary just because. So we can get this over with. Julio Jones. Because he's awesome. Of course he catches it. And down at the 10-yard line, right before it. I have no idea, guys. But now we're going to do another strong I-20 dive. Just because they're awesome. What? How do you stop? Why would you stop? And do that. Go right over here. First down. Yeah! Let's go with the first down. I'm just gonna use another running play. Strong I-20 dive. What? Okay, so that just happened. Now we're going to do a strong IHB blitz. Well, a strong IHB blast. What? How does he still stop me? I'm going to do a scene 6, 7, 8 real quick. Leo Jones. Oh my god, I'm so mad now. Okay. Do make IHB gut. Go right through the gut. Got this. Let's go! TD, right there on the fourth down. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna do a 2-point conversion. Because you know me, I like 2-point conversions. And I just got it. Oh yeah. Hello, my name is Joe. So I just went. Oh my gosh. Yeah. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed your time here. A little intro for Madden Mobile. And yeah, so we're gonna do here. Super Bowl 51. We'll just put that on, just like so. Now, yeah, we'll just see you around later. First of all, we need to know he is trash. Yes, Larry Fitzgerald, not bad. Oh, this guy named the Bears. He has Larry Fitzgerald. Is one of his wide receivers. So he has all these. I'm not afraid of him. I can kick his butt anytime. So yeah. So yeah. Peace you guys out. See you guys next time.